Hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. Finally, I made a video for you because I do not find anything for made any video subject. You can see the without home button screen of iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to enable the home button. Firstly, you have to go setting. Then you can find the general option, and general option do not click other option. You go to general option and click it, and you can see the accessibility and click it. Then you can find the assistive touch off, and click it the assistive touch, and you can see the option is inactivate, and you activate this option. Look at this, yeah, look at this, my home button is visible. You can this visibility up and down, okay, up and down, you can do this easily. You have to this visibility is 41%, okay, 41% is best to you for iPhone. Use the iPhone, okay. Finally, we found the home button. Activate the home button. If this video is useful for to you, please subscribe my video and enable the bell icon.